guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the little bee box for September. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the little bee box just arrived. They did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, this box is geared towards little ones. I believe it goes up to age 5. And so you get to select the age, you get to select the gender, and they curate these boxes for that child and takes all the guesswork out for you. You don't have to worry about a thing. They also have one-time gift boxes that I absolutely love. So if you know anybody who's having a baby shower or just having a baby or a baby's birthday, you can always order a one-time gift box. They will figure out what they need for that age and ship it out either to you or to the recipient. And you can always bring it with you or ship it straight to the person that's going to go to if you can't make it or attend, that occasion. So I really love that you have 2 different flexibilities when it comes to this little bee box. This one here is actually geared towards my friend's little girl. She will be 2 years old in December. So let's see what she's going to be getting this month. I cannot wait. I love baby things. So I'm always so excited to see what's in here. Oh, it looks like we have our card is different. It's like this and it's laminated and it says September, Little Sunshine. As we step into September, we celebrate the bright and beautiful light your little one brings into the world. Just like the sunshine, they illuminate every moment, bringing warmth, joy, and endless love into your life. Yes, I'm sure they do. I don't have any, unfortunately, but I try to get a child anytime I can. It's not like I just go and steal one. But whenever I get to like babysit or just see one, that's like, I love getting my baby or child time. So it shows what is going to be on here with the pricing, but let's go ahead and dive in. Here is their card. So if you do grab one of these boxes, you could always post a photo on your Instagram or any of your socials and tag them. So there's that. And then a sneak peek to inside is, oh my gosh, is that a little purse? Oh my goodness, that is adorable. I think it was last year for Christmas. I believe it was. I ended up finding a set that was like, I think it was a mint or a teal green because I love that color and so does my friend. And it was a matching set. It was like a mommy and me little like matching purse set that I got her. I don't know if she plays with it yet, if the little one plays with it yet, but I did get them a matching one and this is absolutely adorable. Look at this little thing. Look at how cute is that. Oh my goodness. Anastasia is gonna look absolutely adorable carrying this around. So this is how it looks. And here is the tag and has like these like pearl looking little handle. And then you open it. Oh, yep, just a magnetic closure. And then, oh, it does look like there is a chain in here so you can have an actual strap as well. This is absolutely adorable. I don't know if she would want the straps on or off, so I won't put them on just in case she wants to just hold it until she gets a little bit bigger maybe. I'm not sure, but you do have a chain that you can attach to it. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. That is just too cute. So this right here, baby mini purse, valued for $19.49. That is just so cute. And that is just so cute. That made this entire box for me. Here is a book and she loves to read or her reading time. So I love when there's books in here. This one is Sesame Street. Good Morning, Sesame Street. And it looks like this. And on this one, it says baby reading book, valued for $6. And the last page. So there is the book. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Here are a set of hair elastics. It says Absolute Cute Hair Elastics, 1,000 pieces. Because yeah, normally you don't reuse those, you just cut them awesome. There's 4 little clips at the top. There's 2 pink and 2 blue. And then there's all of those rubber bands, all colors, even clear in the dead center. Sorry, I wasn't flipping you off. There's clear in the dead center, and it's shaped like a flower. So every petal and the center, you have a different color of elastic little things to do their hair. That is adorable. So this here says Baby Girl 1,000 piece hair accessory set valued for $25. Next up, we have a package of socks, and I don't know if we've got a package of socks yet. Again, all of these boxes can be all different, just a nice mystery bundle depending on the age or, you know, what's available, that kind of thing. So this is adorable. There is a Pickle and Dot 10 pairs of baby socks. These are 6 to 12 months. I should ask her if she needs to up her size or not, because I think we're still at 12 months for this box. But I always wait for her to tell me. She's just so tiny and petite that literally she is a lot smaller than her age. So we have like, it takes us a while for us to change up sizes. But that one is adorable. Look, there's like a little dog print on the bottom. And then you have this style. There's little dog prints. Oh my gosh. And they have 2 dogs, so she loves her dogs. And that's adorable. So you have all these different colors, 10 pairs of socks. Again, they are valued at $7.99. Okay, now we have is some flushable wipes. Little Me Toddler. That's great because she is potty training her. So this is the perfect time. Again, they do everything age appropriate. So that is so cool. This says To Go Baby Flushable Wipes valued for $2.88. So there's a whole package of flushable wipes. She got her like her own little like mini toilet. It is just so cute. Things are way advanced now than it was like when I was younger. 40 plus years ago, we didn't have all these nice little fang dangle things like we do now. Okay, so now we have the outfit, and oh my gosh, this is a little pants set. Look at how cute these pants are. And then here is the onesie, and it has a little heart right there. But these colors are so cute. So let's stick it inside here. I tried to stick it in there a little, but it does match. And I think that is so cute. I cannot wait to see her in this with these little bands. This is adorable. So this is Carter's set. Both of them are Carter's. And it says, what is 2-piece pant set? What is 2-piece? What? It says, what is 2-piece pant set? $22.99. So you do have that outfit. And then there's one item left, and it is the gift for the mom. I really love that they do that. They throw in one little mystery item for the mom, and it'll say right here, like, free gift. So this month is a makeup headband, incredibly soft and comfortable. So there's that. So yeah, she can use it when she's doing her makeup, her skincare, keep her hair back, whatever. But yeah, you have this little makeup headband that is a free gift for the mom. So that includes everything for this September box. So you have the gift for the mom. You have the most adorable little outfit right here with these cute pants. Like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. You have 10 pairs of socks, 1,000 hair accessories, flushable wipes. You have a reading book and the cutest little purse. Okay, you guys. So now that is everything for this September Little Bee box. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items in here? What would be your favorite item? What do you think of that outfit and those pants? So cute. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will save you 30% off your very first box if you are interested. Each box includes 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. So if you want to do a month-to-month term, it's $51.95 per box. If you want to save some money and go to a 6-month term, that's the silver, that would be $45.95. And if you go to the platinum, which is the 12-month prepaid plan, it'll bring your box price down to $43. If you want to do the one-time gift box, that one there is $65 and that has free US shipping. You will then get to choose 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months, and the color pink, blue, or neutral. And then they go ahead and put the box together and ship it out for you. And it's just so simple and easy. But I will have everything down below if you'd like to take a look and see what they have to offer. It'll all be listed down below in the description box for you. If you'd like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you could visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, you guys, so now that is everything for this video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Crew.